going on, guys? Shift Wrench Repeat back for another video. I wanted to give you guys an update, and I have the truck idling right now just so you believe me, but the four-wheel drive Mazda, the B2600I 4x4, is running and driving again. So I know I haven't posted really any true progress videos of the Fox body recently, and that is because I have had so many things to get done in order to have adequate space and just a little bit of breathing room to get this thing done. I was out here all weekend pretty much jamming to some tunes, working on the Mazda. That's why I have this mess behind me. You can see the Wish toolkit, which is perfect for situations like this. But like I said before, the sockets I found out are rather cheap. But I got a mess again, you guys. You can see that there. The truck still needs a couple things to be a reliable winter beater once again. But we did shocks, ball joints, tie rod ends, new axles, new diff fluid, new brakes, rebuilt a caliper. So this thing should be ready to go. But I love these Mazda pickups, you guys, especially the four-wheel drives. They're pretty stout vehicles. One reason they really shine is if you have a decent set of tires, they're pretty light. So you put it in 4 low and you can get through quite a bit of stuff. For those of you that it is your first time on the channel, all of these projects, the lawnmower that we had, this Mazda pickup, I needed to get this thing out of here so that I had all this room for the Fox body. So that is my Fox body. We're putting a 5-liter V8 in it, and we're going to put 2 Eaton M90 superchargers on this thing. I'm working on a rotisserie right now, which we've talked about a couple times. It's kind of over in that area there, but now we have all of this space, you guys. You can see that empty space right there. Once I get the tools organized a little bit, my goal is going to be to have the body on this side, and over there I'm going to do the engine. So there was no way that I could really get into working on this thing with my truck taking up the other side. And it took way too long, but as proof, you guys, it's idling right there. The truck is drivable, it's ready to go. So in the very near future, we can start working on the twin supercharged Fox body. I'm not lying to you guys. You can see right back there, the superchargers are laying under that bench. I actually am putting twin blowers on this thing. It's gonna be kind of a junkyard build, but that's exactly why I wanna do it. I wanna show you guys that this is stuff that you can do. One other thing that I wanted to show you guys is I did a little bit of garage sale tool shopping, and I just wanted to show you that, you know, to get good tools, Craftsman, Snap-on, whatever, you don't necessarily have to spend a bunch of money. So we're gonna go through this right here. So that was my haul this weekend, you guys. There's a couple no-name things in there, but I got a lot of tools and I only spent $20 on all this stuff. This, again, was probably one of the best finds for me, but all these air hammer bits, I constantly go through these at work, so that'll be nice to have extra ones of those. I was pretty excited about the mic. I use these to straighten out threads when you get something that's gummed up and maybe don't have a thread chaser for it. And then stubby nut drivers, which always come in handy. And then I also got these Snap-on extensions, 25 cents for each one of these, 50 cents Snap-on. That's just crazy, you guys. So pretty good tool haul. I even got the bag with it, so you don't always have to spend a lot of money to get quality tools. Sometimes you just have to have a good eye and take a little bit of a time, and it's kind of fun, you guys. You get to barter with people, and so yeah, I just wanted to show you that. All right, you guys, so I'm picking this video up about 2 days later. Now that the Mazda has its own home, I did a little cleaning last night, and I got this side of the garage pretty organized. I still got to work on getting that oil stain off the ground, but I got my workbenches cleared off back here. I gave most of the tools a home. Everything's picked up, the Wish toolkit, all that stuff that we had laying out. Now tonight my goal is going to be to get the trunk open on the Fox body because I never got any keys with the car, and I want to start getting all the little stuff off so we can rotisserie it. The tail lights are coming off, so to get the tail lights off, I got to pick that lock. So I'm going to work on that. All right, so you can see we got the hatch open. Didn't want to make a full how-to video on that, so hopefully you can pick up what we did based on the video I just showed. You take a Dremel tool, you cut off the rivet on the bottom of that tab, you pull it down, and then you can pull the lock cylinder right out of there, and all is well. Now I can start disassembling stuff. Really quick, you guys, I wanted to tell you too, if you haven't seen any of the Project Albanian Avalon videos, it was kind of a little spoof series that we started, just something for me to do before I got rid of that car. We're actually going to be getting rid of that car, so you can expect one more video, not going to tell you what we're doing, one more video on that car, and then it's going away, because I might have bought another project car, I might have bought another project car, I might have bought another project car, and I know I have this to do, and I promise you guys, I sincerely promise that I'm not going to touch this project until this is done. It's a really long story that we're going to explain when we pick up the car. We'll do a reveal, and then it's going to storage until this thing is done. I'll give you 2 hints. Your 2 hints are, it's a Japanese car, and the name contains the number 32. So think about it, be looking forward to that reveal, you guys. Like I said, we'll explain exactly what's going on there once we get the car and do the reveal, but the Avalon's got to go. Because with the Avalon, I would have 8 cars, and I just don't have the space. I already don't have the space for it. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update, let you know what's going on. We got all this room, and the Mazda officially is running and driving. I need to bleed the brakes. I didn't have anyone here to do it, so it's a little sketchy, but it does run and drive. I drove it around the yard, drove it around the block, and now I have all the garage space we need to really dig into the twin supercharged Fox body build. So you guys, thanks for watching. Shift, Wrench, Repeat uploads at least once a week. Once we hit 500 subscribers, 500, we will be giving you away another tool. So make sure to subscribe down below. Thanks for your support, guys, and we'll see you next time.